Hi friends, welcome to Coding Bootcamp. My name is Sumit, and today we will learn how to install Python on a Windows machine. So before you install you need to download its setup. So go to python.org/downloads, and you will see an option to download Python for Windows. You just need to click on this button, and it will automatically download the executable MSI file for you. I have already downloaded it, so it is like python 3.8.2. Okay, you just need to click on this. Once you click on it, it will simply give you two options. First is to install it directly, and the second is to customize installation. So because it is a first video, I will not change anything, so we'll simply click on the install now button, and now it will ask you that this app is going to change your device, so you just need to click on yes, and it will automatically start installing Python. It will take normally 2 to 3 minutes, but may take some more time if you're using a computer with some old CPUs or having less resources. Okay, so I got a message that setup was successful, so I just need to close it. Okay, so now obviously you would like to write your first program, or you want to see whether it is actually installed or not installed. So first you need to check, just go to run command, type appwiz.cpl. It will automatically open the programs and features. Just scroll down. Now you can see that Python 3.8.2 32-bit version is installed. Okay, and there's one Python launcher also installed. Okay, that's why now it is installed. So just click on the start button, and now you can see that Python is installed. Okay, recently added. So you need to click on the IDLE. Due to some reason, if you don't see it here, you could just go and search here IDLE, and I hope it will give you the best match. So you just need to open it. Okay, so it is a Python 3.8.2 shell, where actually you can write your programs in Python, and you can interpret those programs and see the results. Okay, so although I didn't want to show you in the very first video how to tried the first program, but at least I can understand that you would like to learn it very fast. So you can just type in print. Okay, it is my first Python program. Just click on enter, and now you see that it is printed on the console that it is my first Python program. Okay, so this was the first video. In my second video, I'll tell you in detail, like what actually happened, and how you can proceed further from here. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about Python and other programming languages basically. So thank you very much.